Hey everybody, Chris Orr of the Orminators here with another unboxing. I've got two new items from the company that's called Pakt. Uh, this company has done several Kickstarters. They did the original duffle, which was kind of work they worked on with the two guys from the Minimalists, and then there's the backpack that they worked on with Chase Reeves. Now they got this new line of duffels and sling bags that I don't think they necessarily worked with anybody on this one, but in any case, I got the 5-liter sling bag and the 25-liter duffel. So I thought I would go ahead and unbox them here, and let's see what we got. We'll start with the sling bag, and again, always the nice thing about Pakt items here is that everything is done in a manner that's packaged, plastic-free, eco-friendly materials, obviously recyclable, cardboard, whatever, right? There's no tape per se. There's nothing plastic whatsoever. So, and I really enjoy, how they pack everything up here. So, this is the 5-liter sling bag, and we'll go ahead and set that right there. And again, if we put that in relative to the 35-liter backpack there, we can see how big it is. 5 liters is about it right there. And on the outside, again, the stitching is fantastic. I really love the quality of the materials that they put onto this thing. And you can see that the strap is like stitched like crazy, so you can make sure that it's not going to rip or tear or lose its strength. It's only got the hook on one side. I just saw an email where they did that so that regardless of which way you wear it, on the right or the left, no matter which way you pulled it around, the zipper would always be on top. Because if you put it on the other side and you wore it a certain way, the zipper would always be facing down, and then you have to be worried about things kind of falling out. There are a number of little straps on the outside where I guess you can clip things on. Additionally, on the outside, as well as just be able to grab it, although I really wouldn't carry it probably that often unless you're carrying it from there. So I would imagine these little strappies here to like clip additional things on, like water bottles and what have you, because it's probably not really big enough for a full-size hydro flask, for example, or it might be, but then you wouldn't be able to fit much in there. There is an outside pocket where you can put quick access stuff like your phone or headphones or sunglasses or whatever. And then on the inside, there is kind of a larger mesh pocket. One thing I didn't want to note here is that there's this gusset here, so that if you do open it up, it's not going to like flop all the way open and the contents go spilling out. So there's that. And so on the inside, there is a mesh pocket here with a zipper on there. It's got your standard sort of like, here's where your keys go. Attach your keys there, make sure you don't lose them. That's always handy there. There is, on the other side, a larger pocket with a magnetic clasp. Here, a little click. So you can put items in there and then they'll be secure. There's a smaller pocket also with a magnetic clasp. You hear that? And then there's another mesh pocket there, a little bit stretchy so you can put stuff. So, and then there's a little place where you can put your pen. So take a pen here, and for example, you just tuck that right there. Now you've got a good place for your pen. For my daily carry, I have a notebook. That'll fit really nicely into that sort of larger pocket there. I have a USB drive, which I'll probably put into that pocket with the magnetic clasp. Right there. I have my headphones, which will go into that sort of outer zipper pocket here, along with my lip balm, Mountain Dew lip balm, and my little flashlight. This is a Maglite flashlight here. Really love this thing. It's waterproof or water resistant. It's very bright. It's been through the wash several times, and it still works. So I do like that thing a lot. I have my fork spork thing here so that I don't have to use, again, being environmentally conscious, right? Same thing with Pakt. Cuts down the number of utensils. I'm Asian, so I've got a pair of portable chopsticks here as well as a straw. Some aspirin or Advil or whatever sort of like pain relief medicine you might want to have there. And yeah, so all of that will tuck in there quite nicely. And then you can zip it up. There's 2 zippers there, so that you can kind of adjust it the way you want it. And then you can adjust the sling itself to be the length that you want it to be. So for example, I've just done that. And so now I can wear it across like so. And then I can pull it around and then have access to all of the items I want in there. Pakt was founded by Malcolm Fontier. He's the one that worked with the Minimalists on the duffle, and then with Chase Reeves on the backpack again. This is part of the newer Anywhere collection, and so they give you a nice brochure in there to kind of talk about all the different things. There's the 5-liter sling, the 25-liter duffel, which is the other thing that I'll give you a little dig into on a different video. The 50-liter duffel, as well as the gear hauler. I really didn't see a need for the 50-liter, although the gear hauler actually would be pretty nice in the Jeep. I might have to rethink that one there. And as always, they give you a little card saying that none of the packaging involves plastic, single-use plastics like tape or anything like that. Everything is paper-based and biodegradable. So yeah, there's that. So there you go. In a nutshell, there is the 5-liter sling, left-handed. So I think, yeah, that's probably the way I would carry that thing, or kind of keep it around on the front while I'm carrying the backpack there. That way I have full access to passports and other stuff. When I go traveling to Madrid, I'm going to go ahead and give this one use this one at length there, and I'll probably, whatever videos I have, I'll probably give you little nuggets about this thing as well. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. You can kind of see the scale. I am 5'8", 5'8" inches tall. I hope you can see me here. I'm probably cut off right now. But in any case, yeah, I'm 5'8", 190 pounds. So to kind of give you a sense of scale and size that of where I am and how this fits and how big it is on my body as I kind of move it around and do other stuff with it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you like this content, give it a like, share, comment, subscribe. It's been a while since I've done a bag video, so this is getting back into it. So things are starting to open up again, at least mostly. So I'll be hitting the road quite a bit, and I'll be giving these things some thorough testing, if you will. So enjoy it, and thanks for watching.